I feel like I say this every week, but it's been really boring.
Quick guys, I've vlogged like nothing. Do something.
We're doing German translation right now.
Wow.
Riveting.
Honestly, how
Literally the most
I'm
boring.
6% fluent in German,
That's
according to German.
amazing.
Oh, also I wanted to say, I don't know if you guys have heard or if I just hear because I'm on the side of the walkway, but for the last 2 nights,
People have been coming
round
at like
rowdy
12 o'clock.
and loud and
Really loud when we
screaming
all went to
around.
bed the other night.
Yeah.
Not
Yes.
last night, the night before.
Yes, I heard that.
The
Literally
night before
just
was
after
worse. I
we got a
just-
sound complaint.
That's
Okay.
a complaint.
That's what I'll talk about.
But it was-
Sound
I think it
complaint.
wasn't- I don't think it's
I'll
that.
mention
I
it
think it's
right
that. It
now.
sounds like it's coming from
So what we were just talking about, we got a noise complaint by our lovely neighbor. Well, we think so, because they're like the only people in this complex that are oldish. Like they have 2 like 12-year-old children. Like they're in, I don't know, they're in primary school. I don't know how to gauge age of kids or adults, really. But yeah, so like we got an email from our real estate saying that we got a noise complaint, and yeah, it was just like a warning really, but we were so pissed off. I mean, we've had like 2 parties because they were housewarming things, and then 1 like kind of rowdy drinking game night, and that's about it. Like over the whole like month and a bit that we've been here, which is so annoying because everybody else in this complex are so fucking loud as well. Like there's like every night at 12 or something, for the last couple of nights there's been like guys walking through the complex like talking so loudly, and I'm like, ah! It's just so annoying. But oh well, like we'll just keep it down. I mean, I don't plan on having any parties until you get here because, well, I have nobody to invite to a party anyway. I'm so boring.
There was one the other night that was from there, but it was just, it was really bad the night before. And last night it was loud, just walking through the area, and I'm like,
Yeah, it is so much.
at least we
Yeah,
have
is
the
it the
decency when we
apartments next to
walk
us?
through.
Is that why? I mean, like that way? Is that why they can't hear it? Or
Because
is it
I can
actually
hear it,
these?
I can hear it there, so like right outside my bedroom window, like the one above my bed.
Oh, okay.
Ich lerne nicht Englisch, sondern Deutsch. I have to finish my lesson. No, the night that I'm talking about, I heard it was a bunch. It's like a group of like loud boys.
Yeah,
it was
loud.
like sounded like it was going
Yeah.
over there.
I literally heard one of them and he was like talking about the uni. He was like, I feel like all I do is study, and then I couldn't hear the rest of what he said,
Yeah.
and I was like, what
But
else do you
it
do? Tell me.
It was really loud, and I'm like, we're not the only goddamn people who make noise. It just
Yeah.
annoys me.
I was like,
People
so
will
it
make
just pisses me
noise.
off
Well,
so
that's why
much
everyone
now.
else is so quiet in this complex because all of them have gotten warning.
From those
But
asshole
they're
old
not, though. They're
people.
not. I hear them.
Angus,
No.
get off the shelf. Come here. Naughty boy.
Oh, I went to that 21st party. I didn't really film that much because once we got to the place, I was but yeah, here's the party bus. Oh my god.
Yeah, we didn't even realize it was here. Jackie, sit down. What are you doing? I was like,
Next to you guys.
you're probably going to all the way down, maybe.
bar there for any of you empties. There's also one underneath the drinks thing there on the right hand side. Okay. There is a toilet up the front, but we've got no water on.
And then here is, there was a bucking bull there, but I didn't get a chance to go on. Nobody lasted very long anyway. They lasted like 3 seconds, like this guy. That was almost the longest that I saw, so you can gather how well everybody else did. The only other thing I've really done besides uni and stuff and work, we went to Mom's, well, our old house, to like move her stuff downstairs because she's moving to my auntie's for a while until she finds a job in Jandowae. And I was going to film us moving some boxes and stuff, but my phone died, so you're gonna miss out on that exciting footage. Sorry. Well, that's it. Gotta go.